고와이네.
Next time, okay, when we can afford it.
Nope.
I'm sorry. Can I return the cake, please?
Sure, yes.
I want the cake, please. I won't ask for anything.
Hey. Hello, this is for you.
No, we cannot accept it.
Would you please?
There's no reason for you to buy the cake for us.
Well, when I was 7, my mother wanted to buy me a cake.
Mommy, I this one.
But at the counter, we didn't have enough.
Can we get something else?
It's my birthday today. Can I choose my own cake, please?
I'm sorry.
Then, there's this man. I've never met him before.
야, 이 반란그놈의 새끼야! 니네 그 꼼짝하겠어? 내 지금 전차를 몰고 와서 니놈들 머리통을 다 날려버리겠어!
Here, have the cake. Happy birthday.
I didn't know his name. I never got a chance to say thank you. I've never forgotten about him. The man in the queue.
연병, 땀병에 가다버리 속병이 걸려가지고 땀통이 끊어지면 끝나는 거고